Hello everybody, so today I will talk about algebra. The topic today is about to find the percentage in here. A number is reduced by x percent. How many percent should the number be raised then to go back to the original number? So I will show you the technique how to answer the question. We put capital A is the original number. Next, because they reduce by x percent, so we got about x multiplied with a. So this is the amount of reduction. So we have the new number that should be about a minus 2xa. So the question they ask, how many percent should the number be raised up back to original number? So we will have the formula in here. That should be about a minus xa multiplied with 1 plus p. P is about the percentage we need to find in here, equal to a. So this is the equation we need to find in here. So now we can get the answer in here. 1 plus b equal to capital A divided to a minus sa. Because we divide both sides with a minus sa in here, that's why we got this one. Because we have a, and a, we simplify. Later that, we move number 1 on the right, and we got about b equal to 1 over 1 minus s minus number 1. About number 1, we got about 1 minus s over 1 minus s. For this one, we have the negative, so we change the sign in here. And we got about negative number 1 plus s. And we got about s over 1 minus s. And this is the percentage we need to find in here. That's the end. Thank you for watching.